Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to buy Coinbase, easy method. Open Coinbase and complete account setup, then verify your identity to unlock buying limits and features. Link a payment method such as ACH or a debit card for faster purchases, and consider enabling 2FA for extra security. Finally, search for ETH, choose buy, set the amount, and confirm the transaction to complete your purchase quickly and safely. You can fund your account using ACH, debit card, or wire transfers depending on your needs and speed preferences. ACH is inexpensive yet slower, while debit cards give instant access at a premium. Wires work well for larger sums and higher limits. Choose the method that balances cost and timing for you, and monitor processing times so you know when funds become available for buying ETH. If you are finding this helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. Quick recommendation: the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum is a fun gadget with voice control that cuts cleaning time, freeing you to track ETH prices instead of sweeping floors. It feels like a small life upgrade and pairs well with busy crypto days. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. When buying ETH, double-check fees, order type, and the exact amount before confirming to avoid surprises. Turn on two-factor authentication and use secure networks to protect your account. If you are new, make a small test buy to ensure your payment method and wallet settings work correctly. Keep records of transaction ID and consider moving significant holdings to a private wallet for long-term security and control.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.